I'm going to show you how to subtract mixed numbers with unlike denominators. This is number 7 from homework 1-9. Okay, the first thing I need to do when I see these fractions is the first thing I notice is that they have unlike denominators, so I need to create common denominators. In order to do that, I can list out the multiples of each of my denominators if I don't already see a pattern right off the top of my head. So if you start listing them out, you'll start with your 6's and you say 6, and then 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24. And then I can do my multiples of 12. So 12, and then already right away I can see that 12 is my common denominator. Since 12 is my common denominator, this number doesn't change at all because I already had 12 as a denominator. And up here I need to create an equivalent fraction. So my 8 is going to stay the same, and now instead of 6 as the denominator, my denominator is going to be 12. Now I have to decide, what did I multiply by 6 to get 12? And I know that 6 times 2 is 12. So now I need to multiply 1 times 2 as well. And 1 times 2 is 2. So 8 and 1/6 is the same as 8 and 2/12. Then I can subtract. However, if I have 2/12 minus 7/12, I don't have enough 12ths up here. So since I only have 2, but I need to take away 7, I have to go borrow from my whole number. When I borrow from my whole number, I'm just taking one whole, so that leaves 7 right here. Now the difference is that my whole is not 10. My whole is 12. So I need to add 12 or carry 12 up to my numerator. So now this problem is really 7 and 14/12. Now, knowing that this number is now 14, I can do 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7 is 7/12. My denominator stays the same, and then I can subtract my whole numbers. 7 minus 2 is 5. So my final answer is 5 and 7/12.